Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created this look, and I'm going to show you guys how I prep my skin for a perfect flawless makeup that will last the whole day. Some of you guys have told me that your sunscreen don't look good under your makeup, so I'm going to show you a foolproof skincare routine that I do every single morning to make my makeup last all day long. Also, if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. So sit back, relax, hang out with me, grab your coffee, get your drinks, sit in your bed, cuddle up, and let's hang out together. So as someone with dry combo skin, I actually don't like to use cleanser twice a day because that really strips my face dry. So in the morning, so dirty already. In the morning, I just take a cotton round like this, soak it with water, wipe away the layer of dirt that might have built up overnight. Oh my God, I'm so shocked. Do you see those little dust particles? Yeah, that's what happens when you have skincare and it's kind of tacky. Stuff just gets attracted to it. First thing I do while my face is still a little bit wet from the water, this is the best time to apply toner, because when your face is a little wet, it actually absorbs the skincare a lot better. Your skin is already softened, it absorbs moisture much easier. I learned this from you guys because I posted a video on TikTok of how I have damaged my skin barrier because I've been using micellar water and a cotton pad to remove my makeup, right? The one thing that even dermatologists in the comment section have noted was that I was not drenching my cotton round enough. So as you guys can see, I am drenching the crap out of my cotton round. It's pretty much soaked right now. This is actually my second bottle right now. This is the Skin 104 Madagascar Centella Toning Water. For the morning, if I'm prepping my skin for makeup, I like to use a toner. The consistency is more or less like water, like this one. It's not viscous, it's very drippy, because when I'm prepping my skin for makeup, I'm really avoiding building texture on my skin. Only at nighttime do I really like to use thicker creams, because I've noticed sometimes when I use really thick products during the day, that's when my makeup starts pilling and it doesn't sit well on top of my skin. It's also made with Centella Asiatica, which is a really calming and soothing ingredient. It'll just like calm any redness and also moisturize my skin and prep my skin to absorb my serum a lot better. That's my first round of toner application, and then I like to go in with the second round on my palm and just pat it in. I usually put toner on my face 3 times. I don't know what's going on lately, but the weather has been really changing and my eyelids are so sensitive. But this toner has not been irritating me at all, so it's really great. I mean, you guys, just look at that. Look at how much glowier my skin is compared to when I first sat down. This is just starting off with toner. Next, I'm gonna use serum. They call this the Glass Glow Serum. It has a beautiful bouncy consistency to it. So it is a little bit thicker. Look at how slowly that's running down my hand. Has a really nice, soft, bouncy consistency to it. I am so obsessed with the serum. This is from Medicube. It's their triple collagen serum. This is actually my second bottle already. There is fragrance in it. So if you are sensitive to fragrance, you might not like this very much, but it is so moisturizing. This serum is the main character of my morning skincare routine, because just look at that. It went from kind of glassy to like super glassy and dewy. I like to use this in the morning because it really delivers moisture deeply into my skin, especially right after I use my toner. Okay, the next step is sunscreen. I usually skip moisturizer because my skin already feels very hydrated and I don't want to overdo it with the oily/greasiness. The sunscreens that I use already have a lot of moisturizing hyaluronic properties in it, so it does already help lock everything in, of course. So we're gonna do the 2-finger rule. That's how much sunscreen you need. Pat, 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 and just apply this everywhere. I take another 2 fingers worth of sunscreen and put it all over my neck too. I mean, just looking at my skin right now, you can see why I don't really need moisturizer at this point, because it is super moisturized, glassy. This is a crazy skin prep, right? And now I like to go into makeup. For today's Douyin makeup look, I want to recreate this one. This one is kind of like I'm tired but sexy and wet kind of vibe. And that's what I love about Douyin looks, is they're not too over the top, but they are very still dramatic in its own way without having the focus mainly being on the eyeshadow. I don't usually use a cushion or foundation, but I'm gonna be using this one. It's from Won Jung Yo. I got this when I was in Japan, and it was sold, like the whole rack was completely sold out. And I think this brand is created by the makeup artist of Twice. I think I'm in shade number 3. If I remember correctly, this is one of the darker shades. It doesn't make my skin look whiter than it is. It just blends seamlessly into my skin. When I first used this cushion, I really liked it because it gives a really close application. Foundation is very thin, but it does a really good job covering any blemishes and redness that you have. Like right here, notice how that's just gonna cover it all up. I love cushion foundations because it offers the closest application and it makes your skin still look like your skin without losing that beautiful skincare glow that you just applied. I have to admit, this Kosas concealer is really good to give you that skincare glow. And yes, we're still gonna conceal the eyes because I want that tired dark circle look to look intentional with makeup. Is it just me, or am I the only one who likes to use a drier beauty blender to blend my concealer in? I feel like this gives me a fuller coverage without soaking up too much product. That's crazy. My base looks so good right now. Like my skin is flawless. I don't use this enough, but this is so nice. Definitely try this out. It is so beautiful. Next up is brows. I'm using the Laneige Natural Brow Auto Pencil in Stone Gray. What kind of content do you guys like to watch on my YouTube channel? I think a couple of you guys are telling me you guys miss my vlogs. Taking the Morphe M511 brush, I'm taking this color right here. It's just a tan color and applying to the outer corner of my lids. I'm contouring my eyes to set a base for me to work a shape around it. It's been a while since I've uploaded a consistent schedule, and I know that I was a little behind on uploading, but I'm back. I like how that looks. And now we're going to dramatize and really make my eye shape a little bit more cat-like. M514 brush, going into this darker shade, applying to my outer V and applying into this V shape to really give my eye that lifted look. So we're gonna lift the eyes with makeup. Taking some concealer on this brush, I'm going to lift the end of my eyes up like this and give the illusion that my eyes are more lifted. I'm going to contour my nose with my favorite contour brush. This is the JD Weighty Luxie Collab in 182. Take this shade again. This brush is so nice because it fits perfectly into that crevice. This little area, it fits perfectly into it. And then I'm going to take this cream product right here and apply it to the bridge of my nose like that. Adding some highlight to the bridge of my nose like that. And also to the tip of my nose like that. We're going to start building that darkness under the eyes with this shadow right here. It's more of like a brownish pinky shadow. I'm using a dense brush like this to apply it on. Honestly, this is my first time trying this look, so hopefully it turns out okay. I'm gonna put in an aerosol with this contour shade that I've been using, squeezing the underneath of my eyes hella hard. I'm using a flat brush to apply the aerosol with powder first, like that. So as you guys can see, I'm squeezing the underneath of my eyes so you can really see the fat stick out. Then using a liquid gel liner. Well, this is a liquid liner from Judy Doll. I'm going to add a little bit of a shimmer to just right here. I feel like we're getting close. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but this was my initial plan, was to use the Ink Velvet lip product. This is shade number 17. This contour shade. And then let's blend it together. Okay, that looks right. I think that looks kind of like that, right? Yeah, a little sickly. Okay, so when I saw her do it, she just applied it directly under her eyes. Like that. That's cute. That's cute. I see it. I see it. It definitely needs a little bit of that red more in there. I'm kind of happy with how that looks. It's like my take on it, but I feel like I need to define that sol even more right now, so I'm gonna go back in with that. Oof, I look crazy, but trust the process, right? We're not done yet. She doesn't have any blush on, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna powder my face now. Taking the Floris's Gorgeous Peach Blossom Silk Powder. Powder my forehead, under my eyes, nose bridge, my chin. Lighting my lips with my favorite lip liner, Wherever Walnut from Makeup Forever. I'm just gonna do the upper top lip and then soften it up with my fingers. Then taking the same color I used under my eyes and apply it to the center of my lips. Blend it out with the fingers so it's soft. And I want to finish it with a gloss. Oh, but we didn't contour, so let's contour my cheeks. We're just contouring to make my face a little slimmer, but not to make it darker, if you get what I mean. And then bringing whatever's left on the brush to the upper hairline. Same thing with this side. Bringing it up to here so we're not disrupting the foundation too much. I feel like we're missing just a little bit of color. Like, I need to blend this out a little bit better. Highlighting my face with this highlighter from Judy Doll. Just popping it right here and here. Her skin looks pretty matte, so I'm just gonna use a gloss. Like, this gives me, yeah. This is the closest I have for the lip gloss I have here. This is from Kosas in the shade Exposed. Whoa, that's so glossy. I feel like that's a little too much. Unfortunately, I don't have this lip color with me right now. Okay, so this one is also from Judy Doll. I have never tried this one before, but it looks just like the one she's wearing. Ooh, this feels so good. It's almost like an exfoliator. And it's not a felt tip, it's more like a plastic tip with texture on it. It feels so cool. I think the makeup is really nice. I'm gonna set it with a setting spray. Here's the completed look with the wet hair. What do you think? Would you guys recreate this look? It turned out so much better than I thought it would, and I might actually try this out as a daily makeup thing sometimes because it's just so sultry and cute. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to tune back in next week to see more videos from me. Bye!